I set the Broadfork in the ground, and the tines go into the soil, and I step onto the Broadfork, and it pushes it down into the soil. I use the weight of my body. I don't try to jam it down. It goes down into the soil, and I let my body rest there. Then I step off of the fork, pull it up, and step back a pace and do it all over again.
I like to place the tines into the ground with the handles vertical, and then I use my weight either stepping onto the Broadfork or hopping on it. Again, using my weight, I like to lean back with the tool to draw the fork back, and that pops the soil up a bit for me.
A Broadfork is a great tool for women to use. It's not a tool that you need to throw around or have a whole lot of upper body strength. Don't feel like you have to jump on it or lift it up. It's really easy to feel like you have to muscle it around, and you don't need to. You should let the tool do the work for you.